So to prepare for this course, I think the best way to prepare for it is to go in and actually get a benchmark of where you're currently at with your email marketing. Figure out what your average open rate is over the last, let's say, 90 days. Look at how much revenue you're driving currently from email marketing. You can find that from Google Analytics. Also take a look at inside your email service provider. Get a snapshot of where you are and be real about where you are. Figure out your current performance so that we can then track going forward, and you'll have a better idea of where the weak spots are in your email marketing strategy so we can then solve those. That's the best way to prepare. Also, I think another one important thing would be to pull together some creative assets and set up basically a pool of creative assets you might want to use for your email marketing. What I mean by creative assets are any images, whoever is going to be images, copy, some of the best blog posts that you have. If you can identify, go look at your emails from the last 90 days or last 60 months and identify the best performing emails you've sent out. You can then use those, repurpose those going forward as triggered emails and emails that are going to be evergreen, so to say.